Everyone, today we are going to start chapter number 4, book 3A, page number 125. So first we have to write the name, class and date. Worksheet number 1, length in meter and centimeter. So first we have to find out that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 2 meter means 200 centimeter, 9 meter 900 centimeter, 5 meter 60 centimeter. 5 meter means 500 and 60 centimeter. 500 plus 60 is 560. 707, 707. Write in meters and centimeter. 1 centimeter. If 1 meter is equals to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter, so 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. 600 centimeter is 6. Same as it is 200 centimeter and 8 centimeter, 2, 8. 800 centimeter and 50 centimeter, 850. Now we have to solve this, fill in the blanks. Here we have 3 meter and 4 centimeter. So first we are going to separate the meter here and centimeter here. Now we can also write this as 300 plus 4 because 3 meter is 300 centimeter. So now 300 plus 4 is 304. 119. 100 centimeter, 1 meter and 19. So 1 meter 19 centimeter. Page number 127. The height of Mr. 10's car is about 1 meter 40 centimeter. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter and 40 centimeter. When we add 140, we get the answer 140. The cobra is about 5 meter 35 centimeter long. So 500 centimeter and 35. When we add both the numbers, we get 535. Page number 128. Raju is 143 centimeter tall. So 100 separate, 43 separate. 100 is 1 meter and 43 is 43 centimeter. It means that Raju is 1 meter 43 centimeter tall. What is the length of the cupboard in meters and centimeter? So here we have 200 centimeter and 24, 224. Page number 129. On page number 129, we have worksheet 2, length in kilometers and meters. Now we are solving the meters and kilometers. First we have to write the name, class and date. Fill in the blanks with centimeter, meter or kilometer. So the height of the teacher's table is about 80 centimeter. The smallest unit is counted in centimeter. The highest unit is counted in meter. The height of a 25-story HDB block is about 90 meter. The length of Singapore from east to west is about 47 kilometer. When we are going to measure the length between the distance, so we are going to use kilometer. Mr. 10 drove a distance of about 307 kilometer. Again we are saying the distance, so we are using kilometer from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. Page number 131. 7 kilometer is 7,000 because 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So if 1 kilometer is 1000, 2 kilometer is 2000, 7 kilometer is 7000. 1 kilometer 20 meter. 1 kilo is 1000 kilometer and 20. 1020. 4008. 5050. 1002. 1000 means 1 kilometer. 3048. 3048. 3 separate and 48 separate. 2306. 9009 and 900. Now page number 132. Here we have to solve the blanks. Look at the map carefully. Fill in the blanks. This is the map. So the distance between the school and the dash is greater. So where is the greater distance? The school and the shopping mall. The distance between the dash and the school is shorter. School, and the shorter distance is library. What is the distance from the sport hall to the school in meters? So here we have 260 school and sports hall. 260, it means 2 kilometer and 60 meter. 2 kilometer means 2000 meter and 60, 2060. So the distance from the sports hall to the school is 2060 meter. The school is dash kilometer dash meter away from the food center. So here is the school and here is the food center. 5025. 525. Now here we have the word problems, page number 133. Write your name, class and date. Solving word problem, worksheet number 3, chapter number 4. Number 1 is Priya travels 1850 meter from her home to the school. From her home, she has to travel 250 meter more to reach the market. What is the distance from home to market? Give your answer in kilometers and meter. It means first we have to find the answer, then we are going to convert the answer. So distance from home to school is 1850 and the distance from home to market is 250. So first we have to find the total distance. So 1850 plus 250 is 2100. So this is the total distance from her home to the market. The distance from her home to the market is 2100 meter or 2 kilometer, because we have to separate this 2 kilometer and 100 meter. What problem number 2? Sam traveled 2300 meter to get to town and took another route and traveled 2800 meter. What is the difference in the distance they traveled? So to find out the difference, we subtract the numbers. So we subtract 2800 with 2300, we get the answer 500. It means that 500 meter is the difference in the distance they traveled. Page number 134, word problem number 3. Here we have the question. A factory made 372 dresses. 4 meter of cloth was used to make each dress. How much cloth was used to make the dresses? It means that we have to multiply 4 with 372. So a factory made 372 dresses, used 4 meter of cloth. Simply 372 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28, 8 here and 2 on the next number. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. 1488 meter cloth was used to make the dresses. What problem number 4? Zinni has 630 centimeter of ribbon. She uses the ribbon to tie bows on 7 gift boxes. She uses an equal length of ribbon for each box. How much ribbon does she use for each gift box? Simply we have to divide the numbers. 630 divided by 7. So when we divide 630 with 7, 7 9s are 63 and 0 will goes here. So it means that it becomes 90. She used 90 ribbons for gift boxes. Word problem number 5. In this word problem we have to solve two different parts, A and B. So number 1 is, there are 2 paths to go to the airport from Mr. Tan's house. Path A is 235 kilometer and path B is 42 kilometer, shorter than path A. How long is path B? So first we have to subtract to find the value of path B. Mr. Tan traveled to the airport through path A. He then traveled back home from the airport through path B. What is the total distance Mr. Tan traveled? So first we simply have to subtract 235 and 42. So 235 minus 42 is 193. This is the value of path B. Path B is 193 kilometer. Now he traveled with path A and came back with path B. So we add the both numbers. So the answer is 428. Path A plus path B. Mr. 10 traveled a total distance of 428 km. Number 6. Raju jogged 2340 meter and Bala jogged 1300 meter. Again we have to find A and B. How much further did Raju jog than Bala? It means we have to subtract. And what was the total distance that Raju and Bala had jogged? It means we have to add the numbers. Give your answer in kilometer and meter. So after finding the answer, we have to convert the answer into kilometer and meter. So first we simply subtract 2340 with 1300. So the answer is 1040. Then we are going to add this. So 2340 plus 1300. The answer is 3640. It means that the total distance Raju and Bala jogged is 3640. 1040 meter further than Bala, and then we convert 3 kilometer 64 meter. Page number 136. Mrs. Lee has 7 meter of cloth. She wants to make 3 curtains with the cloth. Each curtain need 185 centimeter of cloth. What is the total length of cloth she need to make the curtain? Find the length of cloth that will be left over. Give your answer in meter and centimeter. So number 1 is 185 multiplied by 3, because 185 is the centimeter she wants and she is going to make 3 curtains. So 185 multiplied by 3 is 555. Mrs. Lee needs 555 centimeter of clothes to make the curtain. Now we have to find B, which is find the length of the cloth that will be left over. So 7 meter means 700 centimeter. Now we are going to subtract 700 with 555 because Mrs. Lee used 555 centimeter cloth. So the left over is 145 centimeter. Now we have to convert this into meter and centimeter. So 145 means 1 meter and 45 centimeter. 1 meter 45 centimeter of the cloth will be left over. Word problem number 8. Milling had a ribbon of length 148 centimeter. She used it to make 4 similar bows and had 28 centimeter of ribbon left over. What was the length of ribbon used to make each bow? Simply 148 minus 28. So the answer is 120. Milling used 120 centimeter of ribbons to make the bow. Now 122 divided by 4, because she is going to use 4 similar bows. So 120 divided by 4 is 30. 30 centimeter of ribbons was used to make each bow. Page number 137. Word problem number 9. Mrs. Salim used 165 meter of yarn to make a scarf. She used 3 times as much yarn to make a blanket as the scarf. What was the total length of yarn Mrs. Salim used to make the blanket and the scarf? Simply 165 multiplied by 3 because she used 3 times. So 165 multiplied by 3 is 495. Mrs. Salim used 495 meter of yarn in total to make the blanket. And now the total yarn she used to make the scarf and blanket is 165 for the scarf and 495 for the blanket. Now we add the numbers and we get 660. Mrs. Salim used 660 meters of yarn in total to make the blanket and the scarf. Now page number 137, word problem number 10. Janhao runs 1 kilometer from his home to the jogging track. He then ran round the track 4 times. The jogging track measured 400 meters for 1 complete round. What was the total distance that he ran? Give your answer in kilometers. So 400 multiplied by 4, simply he runs 400 times 4 times with the 400 meter. So the answer is 1600. So in how jog 1600 rounds the jogging track. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1000 plus 160 is, because here we have 1 kilometer. So 1000 plus 1600 is 2600. 2600 means the 2 kilometer 600 meter. So in how run a total distance of 2 kilometer and 600 meter. Page number 138. Here we have the mind workout. The distance between town A and town B is 15 kilometer. There is a railway station of every 5 kilometer, starting from town A and ending to town B. How many train stations are there? So first we are going to make the stations. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the distance between each station is 5, 5, 5. It means that 15 kilometer. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So the total stations between town A and town B is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stations are there? 4 stations. Page number 139. Here is the review for write your name, class and date. 33 meter, 20 centimeter. 3020 kilometer. 3 meter, 20 centimeter. 3 kilometer, 320 meter. 3 meter, 2 centimeter. 3 kilometer and 2 meter. Page number 140. Here we have to solve 2 meter and 76 centimeter. Simply add the numbers. 4000, 4 meter, 600 is 6 and 0. 7000, 3 meter. Now here we have to read the map and answer the blanks. The distance between Kate house and her school is. So here is Kate house and here is the school. So the distance is 2005 meter. Kate has to travel dash kilometer from the school to the library. From the school to the library is 3000 meter. It means 3 kilometer. Kate has to walk dash kilometer dash meter to return home from cinema. So from cinema he have to return from home is this 1130 meter. Kate is meeting her friend for a movie at the cinema after school. She has to travel dash and dash from the school to the cinema. So she have to travel 3040 meter. So it means 3 kilometer 40 meter. Page number 141. Again we have word problem. Ahmed has 2 rolls of wires. The wire in the first roll is 117 centimeter long and the wire in the second roll is 3 times as long as the wire in the first roll. What is the length of wire in the second roll? Give your answer in meter and centimeter. So simply we are going to multiply the length of first wire with 3 times. So 117 multiplied by 3 is 351. So the length of wire in second roll is 351 centimeter or 3 meter 51 centimeter. Word problem number 5. Mr. Muthu had a piece of rope that was 410 centimeter long. He cut 9 identical pieces from it and had 5 centimeter left over. How long was each piece of the rope that he cut? Length of rope 410. 410 minus 5 is 405. 405 divided by 9 because he cuts 9 identical pieces. So the answer is 45. Each piece of the rope is 45 centimeter long. Page number 142, last page of chapter 4. Potted plants are placed in a straight line with an equal amount of space between them. As you can see, the distance between the first and fifth plant is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. What is the distance between the first and second plant? And what is the distance between the first and the 8th plant? So simply 20 divided by 4, because we are going to find the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the distance between the first and the second plant is 5 meter. And then we have to find the 8. So 7 multiplied by 5 is, because one plant is having 5 centimeter and we have total 7, total 8. One is already done, and from 2 to 8 we have 7 plants left. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So the distance between the first plant and the 8th plant is 35 meter. So this is the complete explanation of a chapter number